Coffee heated mug warmer, candle warmer, plate, tea, milk drink heater, pad, beverage heating plate for desk, auto shut off, temperature control, office, home. Maintain optimal temperature. This coffee mug warmer not only can slow down the cooling speed of hot coffee but also can heat your coffee up to 55 and keep this temperature whole day, which is neither too hot nor too cold. You can sip your coffee at any time. Waterproof design. The heating plate was covered with a layer of thermal conductive glass without need for security concern for occasional spill, and it is easy to clean. Safety. If the cup is not sensed on the heating plate, it will automatically turn off. Do T worry about forgetting to turn off when you go out. With 4 non-slip feet at the bottom to help support your cup and prevent spillage. Compact size, great for home and office daily use, easy to carry for traveling. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design, keep your beverages always warm. It will be your best gift choice to show your care to your families, lover or friends on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas or other special occasions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.